Okay, hello to everyone. I want to show you how to play this drum. Is a little djambe, and you can play it in two ways. There are the Egyptian and Turkish way, that is sound like this, you play like this, or there is a method more similar to Costa d'Avorio djambe, like djambe, or Algerian method, and you take the drum, the djambe, like this. We can see first this way. So there are some different sound in the drum. I can show you the first ones. So the first one is the doom. Doom you do like this with one hand or the other, and the tack, we call it the tack, is here. You can see, you can listen the different sound. Okay. And then there is another sound that is more difficult to do, that is this one. And you take the hand like this, and the sound is done with this part of the hand. Okay. So playing the drum is like mixing the sound with doom and tack in a repetitive way. An example. Oppure. Okay, we can see the other way to play the drum. It's more difficult, but you can do different things with this method. The doom, the tack, you do it with this finger, this one, or this and this one. And then you have the third sound, this one. Then you have also another sound that is different. This is the stop tack. You can do the tack like this or like this.